Today what we're going to do is we're going to produce a bowl, like a large soup bowl on the wheel. So this is a throwing demo, and we're going to be working with not just the white earthenware clay. We're going to be doing a marbleized effect. This is a Japanese technique of mixing clays and then throwing them on the wheel to get that nerriage, the marbled effect. So to start with, I prepared some clay. It's kind of a sandwich of both terracotta and white clay. You can see that they've been put together, and then they've been banged around, and I let it set at least overnight to just kind of homogenize if there's any difference. The clay itself, both clays have to shrink at the same rate, same percentage. This is about a 12% shrinkage rate for both of these clays, the terracotta and the white stoneware, so that there's no warping or cracking that'll occur because of differences in the shrinkage. So the physical part of this is always fun, popping that stuff around. Now I'm going to do what's called a spiral wedging. So I'm going to throw a twist in the clay, and you can see that this is a little bit different than, say, kneading bread. The wedging process, we call it wedging with the clay, is one of consolidating clay particles, really getting them to fit together tightly. And when we work on the wheel, we always want to have this clay nicely condensed, whether you smack it around like this or you wedge the heck out of it. You can see that you need to do that in order to get the clay to work well on the wheel. Now I'll cut through this with a cutting wire. You can see the effect that is already showing up here. So I'm going to get on the wheel with this smaller piece of clay that I just cut, beat it up. All right. Make a nice dome shape or round ball. If you see, what we're going to do here next is smack it down on the wheel, and